future coders, welcome back to another video from Code Robo, where learning to code is fun. In this video we will continue our draw course and the basic drawing series, and this is going to be our last mission, which is to draw a ship. Now in today's session, we are going to follow the basic goals that we have been using. So let's get started. We'll be starting with pick up pen. It is up to you, how do you want you to approach it? I'm approaching it by filling the middle part first of all. So I'm going to use a pick up pen followed by move forward, so that I can bring it somewhere here. Move forward, and as I can calculate, it's going to be 3 steps ahead. After that we are going to turn right by 90 degrees. After that we will make sure that it reaches at this point. In this case we will be using move forward by 1. Once it will be done, we will place the pen so that it is ready to draw. Then we are going to draw this rectangle. Now in order to draw a rectangle, we will have to draw the longer side first of all, which is going to be move forward by 40. Once that is done, we are going to turn left by 90. And then we're going to draw the shorter side of the rectangle, which is apparently going to be somewhere around 4. Once that is done, we will use turn left by 90 again. Now, as we know, we'll have to repeat these 4 line of codes for 2 times. So we will be using the repeat for this. Once that is done, I'm going to repeat it for 2 times. So this is how we will be able to draw the rectangle. Next, we will move ahead and try to draw these small squares. Now, how can we do that? Again, we'll have to make it move forward first of all, and then we are going to move it somewhere around 3.5 steps ahead, then making it turn left by 90, followed by pick up pen because we don't want it to draw any line while it moves, and then again move forward by 1.5 steps ahead. Then we are ready to place the pen so that it can start drawing the square for us. Now, as we know, to draw the square we will have to use the code again, that is move forward by 1 because it's really small, followed by turn right by 90. And I'm going to use the repeat block again in order to draw the square, and this is going to help me repeat 4 times. Once that will be done, we are going to focus the second square. Now in order to draw the second square, let's use the pickup pen, followed by turn right by 90, and moving it forward in the direction 6 steps ahead. Once that will be done, we will move ahead and use the place pen, making the robot ready to draw. Now again I'm going to use a repeat block because I want to repeat the code for 4 times, and what exactly is going to be the code again, move forward by 1 followed by turn left by 90 degrees. Now once that will be done, we have already done with this inside portion. Now we will focus on drawing the outward portion. Now let's get started with this one. We will be using the pickup pen again, just to avoid some extra line being drawn by the robot followed by turn right 90, and then moving forward in the same direction by 1.46 steps, 4.6 steps. Then use the place pen again, followed by turn left by 90. Once that will be done, we will move ahead using move forward, followed by 5.6. Once that will be done, then we will move ahead and turn it left again. But this not 90, it's going to be 62 degrees done. Then let's again use move forward, and here we will have to use 9. Then we will be turning it left by somewhere around 115 degrees, and after that moving it forward in the same direction by 4.7 steps ahead, then again turning it right by 90 degrees, and then moving it forward by 2 steps ahead. Once we have moved it forward, now let's use turn left by 90 degrees, followed by move forward 1 step ahead, then turn left by 90 degrees again, followed by move forward. That's going to be 2 steps ahead. Once done, we will be turning right by 90 degrees, and we want it to come backwards. So in that case we will be using move backward by 1. Let's attach it here. Once that is done, we are going to use turn left, which is going to be simply 2 degrees because I want it to align to the line. After that, let's use move forward, which is going to be 12 steps ahead to draw the longer line of the shape. Once that is done, we will again turn it right by 90 degrees, making it move forward by 2, then. Turn left by 90, and once that will be done we will use move forward by 1. Then again let's right turn left by 90 followed by move forward 2. Now once that will be done we are going to turn the right degrees, 90 degrees, then making it move backward by 1 again. Once that will be done, we will also make sure it starts moving in the forward direction. So let's use move forward followed by 6.8 degrees. Done. Then turn left by 117 degrees, and then moving it forward by 9. Once that is done, turn left by 62 degrees. Now, once we have done that, we are ready to go and draw the last line, which is going to be moved forward by 10. So this is how we're going to draw it. Now, once it is done, let's click on the Start button and see how it goes. You will see that again, the code that's getting executed is getting highlighted, and the robot is drawing the center part, which is made up of a rectangle and 2 squares. After that, it's heading to draw the outer shape that is trapezium. And voila! We have completed the mission number 5. Like, share, and subscribe to Code Robo.